A very good day to everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning. This is Kusma. Now we are going to learn MCQs about different ecosystems. Important for NEET Foundation students, TET students, and who are preparing for the DSC and other biology competitive exams. The word ecosystem was first used in 1935 by A.G. Tansley. B option is the correct answer. In the first question itself, another answer also is there for us. In which year the word ecosystem was coined? 1935. So, like this, we have to prepare for the competitive exams. In dash, we study about the changes occurring in the habitat like organisms moving away from the habitat or entering the habitat. We know what is the habitat. Wherever we are living, the changes can occur. We can move from there and we can enter there. So what is that answer? Ecosystem. What is that? Ecosystem. Ecology is the study of the habitat. Ecosystem is moving away from the habitat or entering the habitat for organisms. The dash is a part of ecosystem. Habitat. Now only we discussed. So habit is another one and ecology is study of habitat and home is the living thing. So habitat is the place of the system where we are living. The living things like plants, animals and microorganisms are known as dash components. So we have two components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means, bio means life. So plants, animals, microorganisms are the living things. So what component these are? Biotic. So abiotic means what? Abio. So opposite of bio, that means non-living things. Dash is made up of groups of living things and their environments. So what is that? Ecosystem. Ecosystem is the group of living things. Humans, animals, organisms, sea animals. So everything, group of living things and their environments is called ecosystem. Soil, water, sunlight in an ecosystem are called as which components? As abiotic, because these are non-living things. All the organisms in an ecosystem derive dash from food to live. So we are deriving what from the food? Energy we are deriving from the food. Then only we can live. Plants, algae, etc. which use sunlight to make their food are called. So always producers. They can absorb sunlight. Then they can prepare the food material by the carbon dioxide and water by using of the pigments in there. So what is answer? Producers, autotrophs, because they are preparing their own food material. Dash eat other living things and get their energy from them. So dash eat other living things. That means they are depending on other living things to get their food. That means consumers. What is that? Consumers. Decomposers. They can absorb the food material and organic matter from the non-living things too. Detritus means organic material from the other non-living things and living things like slant, slit and leaves, debris, everything. The organisms which feed on wastes, debris, etc. are called wastes which feed on wastes, that means like mushrooms, decomposers. What is that? Decomposers. The organisms that are called recyclers or decomposers. Why we have to call these are decomposers? See the next bit, you can get the answer. As they return the nutrients to the cell. That means already the thing or living thing that is having the nutrients in that plant, human, animal, whatever it is. If that one is dead, then it decomposes into the soil. That means from the body of that organism, the nutrients reaches to the soil only again. Because only as they return the nutrients to the soil. See here, and the waste material of the some of the things, the plants can grow on that like mushrooms and some plants too, because the soil containing the nutrients in that which came from the organic matter of the decomposers. Which of the following is a terrestrial ecosystem? Terrestrial means what? Land. See here the other options here. Freshwater, marine, aquatic, all these are related to the water. So what is the answer here? Grassland. Which of the following is a natural ecosystem? Forest, freshwater, desert. So all are the natural ecosystem only. Dash mangrove is situated south of Kakinada Bay, Koringa, very very important bit. Producers in Koringa ecosystem are mangroves. They can breathe through their root hairs. The root came up above the soil because they are very very sticky soil they have. So they can't breathe themselves from the soil. So they has to get up of the soil to get the air into them. The desert occupy about dash percent of the land, 17% of the land. Producers in desert ecosystem are lichens, because lichens can tolerate dry conditions of extreme and lower conditions of the cool also. Like fungi, algae colony is lichens. So producers in desert ecosystem are lichens, we will tell. The decomposers in desert ecosystem are thermophilic fungi. Why? Because it is thermophilic fungi. They can't tolerate high temperatures. We know high temperature present in desert ecosystem. So only they can't tolerate. Extremely mostly they tolerate maximum 62 degrees centigrade and minimum 20 degrees centigrade. So they became decomposers in desert. Thermophilic. In the name itself is there philic. Dash percentage of solar energy is absorbed in the atmosphere and scattered into space. How much is that? 57. Dash percentage of heat from sun is expended in heating water and land in evaporating the water. 36. Elephant, Nilgiri deer, moles constitute of a forest ecosystem. Fauna is related to animals, flora is flowers and plants. Dash are always at the base of the food chain. Producers, consumers and decomposers. So base of the food chain is what? Producer. Food chains have a minimum of dash levels, 3 levels. Producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers in an ecosystem trap energy from sun. Which of these is abiotic component in an ecosystem? Abiotic component means non-living thing. Algae, fungi are the living thing. So non-living thing is what? Sunlight. So answer is sunlight. Which of the following is carnivorous animal here? Snake. One of the following is the herbivorous animals in this. Rabbit, because that eats what? Plants. Carnivorous means other flesh animals they can eat. Only flesh of other animals. Omnivorous means both they can eat. Flesh and plants. Thermophilic fungi are decomposers in this ecosystem where? Desert ecosystem. Microorganisms are more in sea. Why? Because the most percentage of the thing is surrounded in our earth is what? Sea only. This only occupied. The food web starts from one of them, Spirogyra. Recyclers or otherwise called as decomposers. Koringa mangrove is present in this river basin, Godavari. Habitat is a dwelling place for all both plants and animals. Organisms moving away from the habitat or entering the habitat together is called as ecosystem. So these are the symbiosis relationship as depending on some commensalism, that is both are having the relationship to get the energy. Quick changes in the ecosystem occur due to disasters. So these are the MCQs about different ecosystems. Please continue to watch our channel for more of MCQs for human physiology and many of them other concepts like cell biology, reproduction topics and everything. Please subscribe our channel and share it friends. Thank you for watching.